Let us do some guided practice. And we're going to get, just use the power rule here a bunch of times, right? 3x squared plus 1. Everyone see how we got that? Does everyone see in particular x to the 1 minus 1? Right, 1x to the 1 minus 1 equals x to the 0, which equals 1. Okay. F prime of x, in this case, equals 7 times 4x cubed, which is 28x cubed. Here, probably best to write f of x as x to the 1/2, because that's what the square root is. And so we get f prime of x equals 1/2 x to the negative 1/2, which is 1 over 2 root x if you want to write it as a radical. Remember we did this in class? We may have done this in class, or it was one of the practice problems or guided practice, right? And I said, oh, 1 over 2 root x, that's the answer. And I knew it so quickly. Well, it's because of the power rule. 1 over x, right? So let's see. We have I guess one way I could write this is f of x really equals x to the negative 1. I should have written an imply symbol here, right? Implies f prime of x equals negative 1 x to the negative 2. And that's negative 1 over x squared. Here, we're also going to rewrite f of x to be 2x to the negative 1/2. And this means that f prime of x equals 2 times negative 1/2 x to negative 3/2. And if we simplify that a little bit, we get negative, and we can write 1 over the square root of x cubed. Look at that. Okay. Number 6, don't get fooled by that weird coefficient of pi. It's just a constant. It just stays along for the ride. For number 7, f prime of x, right? Just do the power rule a bunch of times. Remember, derivative of 7, or any constant, is 0. For number 8, we don't know yet how to take the derivative of quotients. So we have to simplify it first. So I'm just going to divide x from each of the terms. And now we can use the power rule a bunch of times. 2x plus 2, and again, that's plus 0. And then this is going to be plus 1 over x squared, right? Because this is really, let me write this in red over here. Negative x to the negative 1, right? So just to rewrite that, 2x plus 2 plus 1 over x squared. All right, and last but not least, there's no shortcut yet. We have to just multiply this out. X to the 6th plus x to the 5th minus x squared minus x. This implies f prime of x equals 6x to the 5th plus 5x to the 4th minus 2x minus 1. And that's what we've got.